My name is Chad Krastel. I am the Senior Roofing Construction Manager for Semper Solaris. I served in the United States Army for 11 years as a Patriot Missile Launching Station Operator Maintainer. During my time in the Army, I served one tour in Iraq. I definitely enjoyed serving in South Korea. I got to actually help orphan children there. We would volunteer and work with the different orphanages. That was probably one of my favorite times. The Army has saying of one team, one fight. Semper Solaris definitely has that, especially since they have a solar and a roofing division. Loyalty, duty, and respect are the three Army ethos that I see the most here at Semper Solaris. Loyalty amongst the employees and amongst the leadership as well. The respect from the labor all the way up to upper management. We're going to make sure that it's the highest quality, and with Semper Solaris have never had any issues with ensuring that we do have the best labor, the best materials, the best workmanship out there. And it's been a family. I couldn't think of a more American company than Semper Solaris.